Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating a reproducible build host. Install a supported Linux distro, Java, Git, repo, and core packages, then allocate at least 200 GB and 16 GB RAM if possible. Once done, create your source directory, initialize repo with the AOSP manifest and the correct branch, and run repo sync. You should monitor network and disk I/O because the sync downloads tens of gigabytes. Make sure to sign into any required vendor accounts before continuing so you have blobs ready. You now configure the build for a specific device. Get the device tree, kernel source, and proprietary vendor blobs, place them under vendor / and device /. Then source build / and setup. sh and run launch for the correct device target to generate the build configuration. Once done, tweak board config and kernel CMD line as needed and apply patches for drivers or HAL mismatches. Start an incremental build with make $, nproc. If the build fails, inspect the first error, adjust headers or kconfig, and rebuild. You finish by packaging and flashing images to the device. Reboot the build host, enable device fastboot mode, and flash boot, system, vendor, and VB meta images using fastboot commands. Once the device boots, connect with a DB to verify services and run logcat and dmesc to confirm drivers loaded. If the system does not boot, one key troubleshooting tip: reflash boot and vendor images, inspect kernel messages for missing blobs, and fall back to a known good factory image to isolate whether the issue is kernel, vendor, or system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.